In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in mondaycom. If you've been looking for an efficient way to have a hard copy of your projects from monday.com, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into a simple method that will guide you through printing a board seamlessly. To get started, please open your preferred web browser and head over to monday.com. Once you reach the home page, you'll want to log in to your account. Click on the Login button, which you can find on the upper right corner of the page. From there, you'll see different options for logging in. Choose Google if that's the method you normally use, then select the appropriate Google account linked to your monday.com account. Now that you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. Here's where you'll find the Marketplace icon. Click on that, and it will open up a new world of apps designed to enhance your monday.com experience. In the search bar, type in the word print. This action will display several results, but what you're looking for specifically is an app called Board Print to PDF. Once you see it on the list, click on it. Next, we proceed with installing this app by following the prompts provided. The installation process is automated and user-friendly, so just follow along. After installing, you'll need to select the specific board you want to print. This part is crucial as it tailors the document to suit whatever project you're focusing on at the moment. With the app successfully added to your account, we can now close the Marketplace tab and return to our main dashboard. Navigate back to your board. This should take you back to the familiar layout where all your tasks and projects are. Look towards the top header of your board, and you'll now notice a new option labeled Board Print View. Click on that. This view will present you with various sections of your board. Take a moment to go through them and tick the ones that you want to include in your printed document. This way, you're in control of precisely what you want to have in your physical copy, ensuring that all crucial information is captured. When you've selected the sections you need, the final step is just around the corner. Click on Generate Document. This option will compile all the sections and details you've chosen into a document that you can either download or print in just a few clicks. Your project's information is ready to be accessed as a hard copy. And there you have it. With these easy steps, printing a board in monday.com becomes a straightforward task, allowing you to take your work beyond the digital realm. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.